Google Classroom is a great place for you to upload and share Discovery Streaming Experience resources with your students. Because it's password protected and not publicly available, you're not violating any of the terms of use with your Discovery Streaming Experience subscription. So here I am logged into my Google Classroom with my Student Experience course open. I'm choosing to put this on the classwork page, and I'm going to create a new assignment to do that. I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to give it some instructions, which I've copied and have available to paste. They're going to watch the video, under 3-minute video, the first time through without taking notes. They're going to watch it a second time using the AEIOU strategy, which I've outlined below. You can learn more about this strategy and many other strategies for using digital resources within your Discovery Streaming Experience as well. So check those out, SOS strategies. I'm going to go ahead and add the file. I am going to select it from my device. It's this water cycle video. I'm going to open it. I'm going to upload it. And it will process through the timeline and it will be loaded. Now sometimes as the videos are being uploaded into Google Classroom, there's a processing time where the video might not be immediately available. That's just getting it into the classroom and process so that it will run within the Google Classroom. So don't worry about that. If the first time you click on this link you can't view it, it will finish uploading. So while that's processing, I'm going to come over here. I'm keeping it with this course, although I could change it and share it with additional courses if I chose, or change the course. It's going to be for all of my students. It's going to be ungraded at this point, but there is a due date when I want them to have this done. So I'm going to go ahead and pick April 17th. And I'm going to organize this by topic, so this is part of their science. So we'll choose the science. No rubric at this point because it's an ungraded assignment. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish setting this up by clicking on Assign. And it's now being saved. And here it is in my science category, showing the due date. And here's the link to view the assignment. And you can see my directions are here. This is the link to the video. If I click on this link, the video is going to open in another tab, which is great because when I'm done with it, I won't be closing out my course. I can go ahead and click on play.
You may think every drop of rain falling from the sky or each glass.
And you can see that it's working just fine. No one is logged into Discovery Streaming Experience at this point. And as long as you maintain the subscription to Discovery's Experience, then you are free to use the resources like this uploaded into a password protected location for your students to access. I'm going to go ahead and close that tab and end this video. This is